Factorize the algebraic expression x to the power of 4 plus x cubed plus 2y minus 1 times x squared plus 2y times y minus 1 times x minus 2y squared plus 4y to the power of 4. This video contains the following sections: reading the problem carefully and understanding it, developing a plan to solve it, solving the problem, thinking about it further and try to apply the approach to other problems. Near the end of the video, there's an additional question which can be solved using a similar approach to that used for solving the specific problem. If you find these helpful, please subscribe to the channel for notification of new videos by pressing the video watermark in the right-hand corner of the video player. The algebraic expression involves a combination of dx to the power of n, y to the power of n. D is a constant. 0 is less than or equal to m. N is less than or equal to 4. Looking for patterns and grouping terms is a good starting point to solving the problem. Expand 2y minus 1 times x squared plus 2y times y minus 1 times x equals 2yx squared minus x squared plus 2y squared x minus 2yx, and group x cubed and minus x squared, 2yx squared and minus 2yx, 2y squared x and minus 2y squared. Then write the factor x minus 1 out of these grouped algebraic expressions. Now look at x to the power of 4 plus 4y to the power of 4. There is no difference of two squares here, but we can make one. Example, x to the power of 4 plus 4y to the power of 4 can be written as x squared plus 2y squared all squared minus 4x squared y squared. By completing the square, use the formula for the difference of two squares to factorize this. Complete the factorization by writing the common factors out of the algebraic expressions. We divide the original algebraic expression into two parts. The first part consists of x cubed plus 2y minus 1 times x squared plus 2y times y minus 1 times x minus 2y squared. We can simplify this algebraic expression by expanding some of the terms. So we have x cubed plus 2yx squared minus x squared plus 2y squared x minus 2yx minus 2y squared. We can group some of the terms in this algebraic expression. For example, x cubed and minus x squared. So we can now write x cubed minus x squared. Similarly, we can also group the terms 2yx squared minus 2yx. We can write these as 2yx squared minus 2yx. And we can also group the terms 2y squared x and minus 2y squared. So we can now write 2y squared x minus 2y squared. Now we can factorize the terms that are in the same group. So we can now write x squared times x minus 1. Similarly, we can write 2yx times x minus 1 and 2y squared times x minus 1. We can see that the three terms have a common factor, x minus 1. So we can now write x minus 1 out of these algebraic expressions and simplify the remaining algebraic expressions by writing x squared plus 2xy plus 2y squared. Now look at the remaining original algebraic expression, x to the power of 4 plus 4y to the power of 4, which can be written as x to the power of 4 plus 4y to the power of 4 plus 4x squared y squared minus 4x squared y squared. The first three terms can be combined by completing the square. So we have x squared plus 2y squared all squared, and the term 4x squared y squared can also be simplified by writing 2xy all squared. The difference of two squares, a squared minus b squared, equals a plus b times a minus b. So we can now write x squared plus 2y squared plus 2xy times x squared plus 2y squared minus 2xy. We have factorized the first part and the remaining part of the original algebraic expression. 1 plus 2. We have x to the power of 4 plus x cubed plus 2y minus 1 times x squared plus 2y times y minus 1 times x minus 2y squared plus 4y to the power of 4 equals x squared plus 2y squared plus 2xy times x squared plus 2y squared minus 2xy plus x minus 1 times x squared plus 2xy plus 2y squared. We can see that there's a common factor, x squared plus 2xy plus 2y squared. So we can now write this out of the remaining algebraic expressions. Then simplify the remaining algebraic expressions by writing x squared plus 2y squared minus 2xy plus x minus 1. Think about the thought process for the previous question further and try to apply the approach to other problems, such as this one. Factor x to the power of 8 plus x to the power of 5 plus 2x to the power of 4 plus 4y squared x cubed plus 8y squared x squared plus 8y to the power of 4x plus 16y to the power of 4 plus 64y to the power of 8 over the real numbers. You can write your answers in the comments section if you like. If you have any mathematics questions of interest, you can write these in the comments section if you like. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. See you next time.